Bonjour à tous. Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we will learn how to talk about what you like to do in free time. So, hobbies in French. We use the verb aimer to like, to love, plus an activity. Alors, vous êtes prêts? Ah, eh ben, c'est parti. On attaque. Let's look at four common leisure activities. Now, first sentence is j'aime lire. If you remember the meaning of this verb aimer, to love or to like, that we have discussed in our previous classes, right? So, if you want to frame the sentences like I like to read, I like to listen to the music, I like to watch, etc., we have the verb j'aime, and then just after that directly we can place the verb. For example, my sentence is I like to read. J'aime means I like or I love, and then you have verb lire, that means to read. So now this is our sentence, j'aime lire. The second one, j'aime écouter. Okay, j'aime écouter, that means I like to listen. J'aime écouter de la musique. I like to listen to some music. J'aime regarder la télé. I like to watch. So regarder means to watch or to look at. If you want to say I like to watch, you can say, you can frame the sentence, j'aime regarder. J'aime regarder la télé. J'aime regarder le film. I want to watch TV. I want to watch movie, etc. After that, the last sentence, if you can notice no and pa, that is a negative formation. Just to frame, just to get the negative sentences, we have to place no before the verb and pa after the verb. Now, look at the sentence, je n'aime pas cuisiner. That means I don't like to cook. If you want to say, I don't like to read, so you are going to tell me in the comment box how you can frame that sentence, I don't like to read. Or if you know any other negative formation, if you want to frame any other sentence in the negative, you can well write in the comment box. Well, guys, it's your turn now. uh, what about you? You can say, you can write your answers in the comment box again. Okay, so we have some verbs, right? I'm giving you the sentences like I love to do this, and you have to frame the negative sentences, right? Let's see the first one. J'aime voyager. J'aime voyager. I like to travel. Now you have to frame the sentence into negative form. I do not like to travel. Okay. J'aime danser. I like to dance. Now you will write your answer. I do not like to dance. J'aime faire du sport. I like to do sports. And you? The next one. Jouer à des jeux vidéo. To play video games. J'aime jouer à des jeux vidéo. I like to play video games. Et toi? And you? The last one here. Faire du vélo. To ride a bike. Donc, moi, j'aime faire du vélo. I like to ride a bike. Et toi? Et vous? And you? Très bien, super, magnifique. You can write your answers in the comment box. You can well do the discussion also in the comment box in the Telegram group channel. Okay, just a quick revision for the negative sentences. So you can see the formation je n'aime pas lire, I do not like to read. Aimer is the verb, and before that we are putting ne, and after that verb we are putting pas for to get the negative formation. Okay, that means I do not like, and then you can use the verb je n'aime pas lire, je n'aime pas cuisiner, je n'aime pas cuisiner, I do not like to cook. Aimer is the verb, n'aime pas is means not or don't, and then we have the other verb cuisine. Okay, je n'aime pas cuisiner, I don't like to cook. Here one pro tip for you: when speaking you can drop this no and you can directly say j'aime pas lire, j'aime pas cuisiner. Okay, but in writing you have to write no and pas both. Je vous félicite. I congratulate you. Now you are speaking like a true French native. We go step by step. Now we are going to see questions. Okay. Questions like writing, like recording yourself is key for your improvement. In French, saying thing is important. Being able to ask someone something is really to start having a conversation in French. So anytime you think you are able to make a sentence, ask yourself, am I able to do a question too? To ask someone a question to answer the exact same sentence, we have lots of different ways to talk about your hobbies and ask someone about his hobbies or her hobbies in French. So first of all, we have qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? What you like to do. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Second one, tu aimes faire quoi? You like to do what? Tu aimes faire quoi? You like to do what? Third one, tu aimes jouer au foot? You like to play football? Tu aimes jouer au foot? The last one, quand tu as du temps libre, tu fais quoi? Quand tu as du temps libre, tu fais quoi? When you have free time, what you do? Okay, I hope I'm clear here. So there are plenty of different ways to ask. Just choose one which is easier for you. The answers we can say here. J'aime jouer au foot, j'aime lire, je n'aime pas faire du sport, etc. I like to play football, I like to read, I don't like to do sports, etc. So maybe the easier sentence and use it again and again. Don't forget to write every single one of these sentences in your cahier, in your notebooks. Tout le monde. Bravo, tout le monde. We send lots of love. French is complicated. We really have to take it step by step here, okay? You are doing amazing. Believe me, I'm really proud of all of you. Now it's time for the live exercises. So I just tell you, I just say an activity. You say if you like it or not, as simply as that, okay? So, for example, regardez la télé. You tell me, j'aime regarder la télé ou je n'aime pas regarder la télé. You guys decide, okay? First one, voyager. Tu aimes voyager ou tu n'aimes pas voyager? You can answer me. You can write your answers in the comment box too. Second one, manger du chocolat. Now you will tell me, I like to eat chocolate or I don't like to eat chocolate. Third one, lire, to read. Like to read, I don't like to read. Okay? And the last one here, faire du sport. So I like to play sports. I like not to do. I mean, I don't like to practice or I don't like to do sports. Great. If you have been able to answer all the questions, amazing. Perfect. Okay, now what? Like always, go to the Telegram group, download your vocabulary, grammar, and phonetics sheet. Okay, we have a lot of people connected in the Telegram group. So if you want, you can well discuss everything there. And if you want me to prepare any presentation on a particular on a specific topic, you can write us into the comment box or in the Telegram channel, of course. Secondly, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video as much as possible. À bientôt tout le monde. Be there for the next lesson. Salut, salut, bonjour.